Hi, welcome to TNPSC Just 50 channel. இன்னைக்கு வந்து general knowledgeல Indian history topicல 25 questions பார்க்கலாங்க. First question. Who said that there was no slavery in India? Who said that there was no slavery in India? Options: Strabo, Fahian, Megasthenes, Huanswang. Answer வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா Megasthenes. Second question. Mohenjo-daro and Harappa are in dash. Mohenjo-daro and Harappa are in dash. Options: India, Afghanistan, Pakistan, Bangladesh. Answer வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா Pakistan. Next question. Indus Valley civilization flourished between dash. Indus Valley civilization flourished between dash. Options: 2500 BC to 2000 BC, 3250 BC to 2750 BC, 3000 BC to 2000 BC, 1000 BC to 1000 AD. Answer வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா option A 2500 BC to 2000 BC. Fourth question. The old name of Delhi was. The old name of Delhi was. Option A Pataliputra, Ayodhya, Gaya, Indraprastha. Answer வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா Indraprastha. Next question. The Allahabad inscriptions throws light on dash. The Allahabad inscriptions throws light on dash. Option A Skandagupta, Samudragupta, Varahamihra, Pulakesin II. Answer வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா Samudragupta. Next question. The capital of Mauryan dynasty. The capital of Mauryan dynasty is dash. Options: Delhi, Patna, Agra, Allahabad. Answer வந்து Patna. Next question. Megasthenes was an dash. Megasthenes was a dash. Options: ambassador, traveler, sannyasi, teacher. Answer வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா ambassador. Eighth question. Ashoka conquered Kalinga in the year dash. Options: 261 BC, 74 BC, 327 BC, 147 AD. Answer வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா 261 BC. Next question. Kanishka followed dash. Kanishka followed dash. Options: Jainism, Sikhism, Buddhism, Hinduism. Answer வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா Buddhism. Next question. Which is the port city in Indus Valley culture? Which is the port city in Indus Valley culture? Options: Mohenjo-daro, Harappa, Kalibangan, Lothal. Answer வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா Lothal. Next question. The foreign traveler to come to India in the reign of Chandragupta II was dash. The foreign traveler come to India the reign of Chandragupta II was dash. Options வந்து Fahian, Vasumitra, Huanswang, Itsing. Answer வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா Fahian. Next question. The Gupta dynasty flourished in dash. The Gupta dynasty flourished in dash. Options: 2nd century AD, 5th century AD, 3rd century AD, 7th century AD. Answer வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா 3rd century AD. Next question. Indian Napoleon was dash. Indian Napoleon was dash. Chandragupta I, Chandragupta II, Samudragupta, Skandagupta. Answer வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா Samudragupta. 14th question. The Gupta dynasty was destroyed by dash. The Gupta dynasty was destroyed by dash. Options: Vardhana dynasty, Hans dynasty, Pali dynasty, Chalukya dynasty. Answer வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா Hans dynasty. Next question. The famous king of Chalukya dynasty was dash. The famous king of Chalukya dynasty was dash. Pulikesin I, Pulikesin II, Nedunchezhiyan, Harsha. Answer வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா Pulikesin II. Next question. The famous king of Chola dynasty was dash. the famous king of Chola dynasty was dash. Rajaraja 1, Nedunchezhiyan, Pulikesin 2, Rajendra. Answer வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா Rajaraja 1. Next question. The well-known king of slave dynasty was dash. The well-known king of slave dynasty was dash. Options: Alauddin Khilji, Muhammad bin Tughlaq, Muhammad Lodi, Balban. Answer வந்து Balban. 18th question. The well-known king of Tughlaq dynasty was dash. The well-known king of Tughlaq dynasty was dash. Options: Alauddin Khilji, Muhammad bin Tughlaq, Muhammad Lodi, Feroza Tughlaq. Answer வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Next question. The first battle of Panipat in 1526 was fought between dash. The first battle of Panipat in 1526 was fought between dash. First option: Muhammad Lodi and Babur, Ibrahim Lodi and Babur, Rana Sanga and Babur, Sher Shah and Babur. Answer வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா Ibrahim Lodi and Babur. Next question. The Mughal dynasty reached its zenith of expansion under dash. The Mughal dynasty reached its zenith of expansion under dash. Options: Babur, Akbar, Shah Jahan, Aurangzeb. Answer வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா Aurangzeb. Next question. Taj Mahal is on the banks of dash. Taj Mahal is on the banks of dash. Options: Ganges, Yamuna, Sindh, Tapti. Answer வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா Yamuna. Next question. Buland Darwaza was built to commemorate the victory of Akbar on dash. Buland Darwaza was built to commemorate the victory of Akbar on dash. Options: Gujarat, Deccan, Bihar, Bengal. Answer வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா Gujarat. Next question. Sher Shah belonged to dash dynasty. Sher Shah belonged to dash. Options: Mughal dynasty, Gupta dynasty, Sur dynasty, Tughlaq dynasty. Answer வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா Sur dynasty. 24th question. The well-known personality of Marathas was dash. The well-known personality of Marathas was dash. Options: Abdali, Marana, Shivaji, Ranjit Singh. Answer வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா Shivaji. Next question. The oldest Veda was dash. The oldest Veda was dash. Rig Veda, Yajur Veda, Samaveda, Atharvana Veda. Answer வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா Rig Veda. Thank you for watching. Subscribe பண்ணுங்க, மறக்காம subscribe பண்ணுங்க. Thank you.